friends, I am Madhukar Bodke, CEO NSP Thane. Today I am going to give the information about rules and regulations of the Cooperative Housing Society. Let's see. Name. These rules and regulations will be called as the Rule and Regulation of Cooperative Housing Society, and they will be applicable only the member and service provider of the society. Role. These rules and regulation of the society have been adopted for the welfare of members. They intend to provide the comfort, facility, solving the problem and difficulties of the member. Adoption. The rule and regulation of Cooperative Housing Society will be adopted when they will be approved by the annual general meeting. Section. These rules and regulation will be divided in 5 parts. The one of part: members, their rights, responsibility and liability. Part 2: managing committee, their duties and responsibility. Part 3: rules and regulation covering all wings, group of building and complex and internal flat shops. Part 4: management is inspires national, social, educational spirit among the member. Part 5: office management and service to the member. Please note that 2 of tips in this rule and regulation. One of tip: if the member sell this flat or shop, it will be obligatory for him to hand over the copy of this book of rule and regulation to the new member. Note 2: the present copy of rules and regulation has been approved by the Office of Honorable Assistant Registrar of Cooperative Housing Society. Part 1: member, their rights, duties and responsibility. A member has a right to lodge writing the complaint regarding his problem. A right to receive the copy of his yearly maintenance ledger. Member can exercise all rights as per the bylaws. A member has a right to demand his family member residental proof. Right to attend the annual or special general meeting of the society. Right to participate in the decision related to society matters in the annual special general meeting with the permission of the chair. Right to get a copy of minutes of any meeting of the society on the payment of charges prescribed thereof. Right to get amended acts, sub-acts and bylaws of institute. Right to get copies of profit and loss account, balance sheet, income and expenditure account. Right to contest an election of managing committee. Duties of member. Every member must keep his unit is a good maintenance. It is the duty of member to attend the general body meeting of the society, to pay maintenance and other charges from time to time. The member should cooperate to managing committee in the day-to-day affairs. To obey the rules and regulation passed by AGM regarding various facility provided to members. A member should not sublet his flat, shop without written permission from the managing committee. He must furnish a copy of leave and license agreement to the society office. A member should not make any additional construction work or changes in the construction in his flat without permission of the society, and if necessary should have take permission of the municipal corporation. Otherwise, society may lodge the complaint toward the local authority. Flat owner should give the complaint in writing. No member shall stock or store any kinds of good and material in the common passage or staircase of the society building. If any member want to use property premises of the society for any function, prior permission must be obtained from the society. Vendors, salesmen, hawkers and strangers are strictly prohibited in the premises of the society. Nominal membership can be given to the tenant or caretaker. Such membership is given under the section 91 or taking legal action under the cooperative law. Under the section of bylaws 32 and 33, members can apply the prescribed form to nominate the person or persons. The acknowledgement of the nomination by the secretary shall be demanded to the acceptance of the nomination by the secretary. Responsibilities. A member must issue check of maintenance charges of his self or joint bank account only. If a flat owner enters a leave and license agreement or after the expiry of the agreement, he must submit the proof of the society immediately. A member should sublet his flat only for the family use. A member should use water, electricity and live very carefully. Members should not form groups and hold the outstanding of maintenance. A group of members can't form the register any internal institute in the complex. Loud noise, deafening slogans, etc. are strictly prohibited in the premises of the society. In the day-to-day affairs, members are accepted to cooperate the managing committee. No member is allowed to keep pet animals and birds without permission of the society. If anyone keep them, they should be as per the Pet Act. Feeding animals, birds in the premises of the society is strictly prohibited. Under the provision of Maharashtra Cooperative Society Act 1960, any member cannot transfer any part held by him in the capital or property of the society or interested which he hold less than 1 year. The conditional is not applicable to the member who hold the property by the inheritance right or by order of the court of law. Member should not mortgage his flat to borrow loan from any financial institute without the permission of the society. If member has a lost share certificate, for the obtaining duplicate certificate, he must be give the affidavit in the format. A member should shall his flat only for the family use and not to any association or trust. Internal repairing work of flat must be done by the member himself. It is a plumbing, electricity work, etc. Members should attend all monthly, annual, special general meeting. They should take the active part in the administration of the society. Managing committee must maintain and update the following legal record and register: I register, J register, share register and nomination register. Managing committee must maintain and update the financial record in the book of accounts. Office bearers must be clear all doubts of the member. Member is not allowed to behave in the way of the damage the goodwill of the society. It is the legal responsibility of managing committee to record the minutes of monthly meeting in the time to get confirmation before the next meeting of the committee. To make available various type of the copies of application useful for members. To install the complaint box for member in the front of the office. Managing procedure must be determined by the committee. The society shall ensure it is the building necessary against risks of natural climate, fire, floods and earthquake and pay the premium regularly. The managing committee of the society shall take necessary precaution to see that no injustice is done to any widow in the society. Managing committee must prepare health code of the society to assess the structural and financial stability of the society, and every year information should be recorded in the particular format. Member of the managing committee should attend the training program organized by the Cooperative Housing Society Federation, Cooperative Section and any other institute from time to time. No member of the managing committee shall be beneficiary of the society in any way. Committee member duties: to raise fund for the society. The amount of maintenance and repairing charges, special fund, etc. shall be referred to the annual general meeting for its approval. Managing committee shall give the membership approve the registration and decide to nomination of the member. Internal inspection of the flats. To take the decision on the various applications received by the member. To take action against the defaulter member. To issue the share certificate to members. To make a necessary agreement on the behalf of society. To take a necessary action in order to maintain the property of the society in good condition. The casual vacancy of committee may be filled as per the provision of the law. Arrangement of wheelchair for the serious patient of society. Managing committee should make available copies of bylaws, Maharashtra State Cooperative Act 1960 and Rule 1961 in Marathi, English for the knowledge of the member. Management of garden, common light, gym, clubhouse, security, etc. Member contact register must be keep update in the office of the society. Section 3. Rules regarding the complex group of building. Members are not allowed to perform any type of special program in the complex without the permission of the society. If any member want to conduct any function program in the complex, then permission of the society must be obtained by paying certain charges fixed by the society in advance. No one is allowed to establish any type of association, institute inside the complex without permission of society. After every 5 years, internal flats must be inspected. Section 4. Management for building national, social and educational development. National days like 15 August, 26 January will be celebrated in the society, and for the purpose necessary code of conduct will be followed strictly. Every year society anniversary Vardhapan Din will be celebrated in the office of the society. Senior citizen Katta will be established for the senior people of the complex as the time pass activity. Free library will be regularly continues for them. Member or person from his family doing good social work will be facilitated in the annual festival of the society. Children of the member scoring good marks in the field of education will be facilitated by the society. Every year 2 days annual festival will be celebrated in the society. Every year annual report of the society will be published and advertisement will be collected from shopkeeper, professional member in the order to create the fund for festival. Various sports, games, singing, dancing, etc. competition will be organized for festival. All members must participate in 2 days festival. Every year member must be pay contribution of 250 by bill. It will be compulsory for all. Section 5. Official management and service to the member. Redressal of member complaint must be done with 15 days. Important telephone numbers of service providing companies must be recorded, kept in the office of the society. Various forms and applications should be made available for member by the office of the society. Maintenance card should be made available to AMC service providing agency of the society. An humble and serious service should be given to the member. Punishment. Any member then also, if the continues to contravene the bylaws regularly, strict action will be taken against him as per the provision of the law. Understanding the meaning. While executing this rule, if there is any difficulty regarding understanding the meaning of the law, the decision of managing committee will be final. In this PDF, I have given 5 applications which is importance of society regarding the repairing, painting, furnishing work in my flat. This is one of application. Second, to obtain the permission for performing family function in the premises of the society. Application for residential proof. This is one of application for no objection certificate. And last, application for condoning absence in annual general meeting. Friends, please refer this PDF which is given in the description box. Friends, if you like my video, then please like and share this video with your friends. Do subscribe my channel. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, जय सहकार. Thank you.